I am Juga Jerry. The BBC, CNN and all these news networks keeps writing articles about me saying I lie about China. So today I'm taking you into the streets to go show you the BBC is talking the truth, or are they? Alright my friends, here we are next to a street, one of a very ordinary street here in China, and as you can count there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lanes. Look how clean it is. No graffiti, the traffic lights are working, but the BBC says Jerry is lying. You choose. Alright my friends, there's a little experiment I want to do. I'm going to use my phone for this one. I believe the Chinese people don't take your stuff. But I say majority of Chinese people own phones, they own houses, they own cars. They don't need to take your stuff. Here, and I'm going to take a walk and we'll see if my phone is there when I come back 30 minutes later. Whew, it's about 25 minutes later. Ladies and gentlemen, we have my phone. But the BBC says I'm lying. You decide. Another thing I want to show you guys is they say Chinese people are poor. Chinese people can't even buy food. Again, I don't say all of China is rich, but let's quickly see what cars Chinese people, ordinary Chinese people are driving. Tesla, Volvo, Porsche. This is crazy, and I just started to walk. Jeep, BMW, another Porsche. Now that is when you know a government lifts the people's lives to a better lifestyle. Now the BBC says, I lie, you choose. Alright my friends, this is another example I want to show you. Look into the sky. The BBC will tell you that is air pollution. The Chinese can't breathe. The Chinese people live in a dirty country. That is lies. China's air quality has improved over the years. In fact, it's way better than Western countries. That over there is clouds. It will rain soon. But yet, the BBC says, I lie. You choose. Alright, this is one of the reasons China's streets and the environment is so clean. Look at this rubbish bins, my friends. China takes recycling serious because the Chinese people know that you can recycle certain stuff, you can reuse it. In the West, we don't care about this. We put everything on the ground. We put the rubbish on the ground. We don't care. I think it even starts in kindergarten where they teach the kids how to recycle. But the BBC says, I lie, you choose. Alright, the final point I want to talk about today, I've debunked so many lies about the BBC, but the final one I want to talk about is the safety in the street. We have a lot of women behind me, and we have a lot of kids walking in the streets of China. The women have handbags and phones. It's safe for females and for children in the society. China has got real freedom. In the West, I need to look over my shoulder all the time. Who's going to attack me? Who's got a gun? Here in China, we are safe. And my friends, I want to ask you once again, who is lying? The BBC or me? You choose. Remember, China has got one thing that the West craves, and that is unity. And that is why I love this country.